Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video I'll be showing you how to run your first profitable ad on Amazon KDP or actually in any Amazon business. Okay, so before I get into it, I just want to show you some of my results just so you know that I'm not talking out of the blue. They're pretty modest results. As you can see, in the last 30 days I have spent $240 with an average ACoS of 16% and made $1,500 in sales or 222 orders. So first thing first, you wanna pick the book that you wanna run ads to. So for example, let's say I wanna run ads to this book. I'm gonna go to these little three dots over here and then go and click on promote and advertise. Okay, so once I do that, it's gonna take me to this page. You wanna go to choose a marketplace. Pick any marketplace you want, of course, but personally I choose Amazon.com. It's getting me the best results and I feel comfortable doing ads on it, so I'm gonna pick Amazon.com and then I'm gonna click on create an ad campaign. Okay, so after I do this, it's gonna take me to this Amazon ads portal. There will be an option to do sponsored products, sponsored brands, and lock screen ads. So you wanna pick sponsored products. Okay, so now the campaign name. You want to pick a name that is gonna help you recognize your campaign as first as you see it. After that, you wanna type in your daily budget. For me, I do $5,000 a day, but this is just to make sure that it never stops running throughout the day. Because if I give you an example, let's say how much I spent yesterday on each campaign, there was no campaign that went over $5. This spent $1.30, this spent $1.70, this spent $3, and on and on and on and on. So no campaign has spent over $5, which just makes you comfortable. Even if you put in $5,000 in the budget, you're not gonna reach that. You're not gonna go anywhere near that. In fact, it will be so much far away from that. It's gonna be like $1, $2, maybe $5, depending on your niche. But you want to pick a budget that you're comfortable with, and if you're a beginner, you have to start with a low budget and then work your way up as time goes. Okay, so for daily budget, I pick 5,000 just to make sure that my ad, of course, doesn't stop, like I said earlier. And then for the targeting, so there's automatic targeting and there's manual targeting. I personally pick manual targeting. It just doesn't spend as much as automatic targeting, and it gives a pretty good ACoS. And after that, you have to choose your campaign bidding strategy. So there is dynamic bids down only, dynamic bids up and down, and fixed bids. For dynamic bids down only, you're gonna choose your bid. So for example, it will be $1 and Amazon won't spend more than $1 per click. So if you choose 50 cents, it will spend 50 cents or less. If you choose $1, it will spend $1 or less. I personally always choose this for my campaigns. Dynamic bids up and down. I have experimented with this for some campaigns. It didn't work as well, so I just stay away from it. But you can try it out if you want. It works this way. If you set your bid for $1, it will spend $2 on clicks that are more likely to convert or more likely to make you a sale, and spend less money on clicks that are less likely to give you a sale. But I don't trust the algorithm to do that for me, so I just pick my own bid and go with dynamic bids down only. And fixed bids, you will rarely use this. I don't know why you wouldn't choose dynamic bids down only, because it lowers your bid sometimes. So yeah, fixed bids, I don't think you're gonna need this anyways. Okay, now for the ad format. There's custom text ad and standard ad. I choose custom text ad, and after that, for targeting, there is keyword targeting and product targeting. They both work well, but if you're a beginner, of course, choose keyword targeting. I would recommend product targeting only if you're trying to scale your book or scale your product to get much higher sales. Okay, so now for keyword targeting, your bid is going to be on default on the suggested bid, which is usually much higher than what it needs to be. So you're gonna set it to default bid, and then you're gonna change this default bid to something very low. I personally never go over 25 cents. So after that, you go to enter list, and then you start entering your keywords. So let's say I am making a unicorn coloring book. I will type in unicorn coloring and it's gonna start showing me some keywords. I click on add all keywords in this list, and I delete the ones that I think are irrelevant to my book. So for example, maybe I'm not selling an adult book, I'm only selling a kids coloring book, so I delete this one for adults. If you're using KDP, you're not going to be selling a set, you're probably going to be selling a paperback book or a hardcover book. So I'm gonna delete this. And yeah, it leaves me with this list of keywords that you can target. And then after that, you just click add keywords, and it will add all of them for you. Now for the last part, it's going to be the creative. Okay, here is where you're going to type in your custom text. So let's say I'm making a unicorn coloring book. I'm just gonna type in something simple. Of course, this depends on the niche you're selling to. You're not gonna type in this unicorn coloring book if you're selling for dinosaur coloring book, for example. And yeah, that's about it. So once you do all of this, you wanna go ahead and click on launch campaign if you're ready to launch it. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. And make sure to ask me any questions if you have them. I am always active in the comments. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like, subscribe. See you next time.